So you want to have a thriving channel with plenty of subscribers. You've got a topic. Now let's get into how you make videos for a successful channel. Right now I am offering a free YouTube checklist. So if you want to get your channel started right, or if you want to whip your channel into shape, check the link below. It's free. All you have to do is enter your email. And for a limited time, I'm going to offer an extra bonus training mini-series for people who sub. On with your video. Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of my mini-series about how to make a YouTube channel and get views to it and subs in 2019. If you haven't already, check out part 1. It's linked below or it's in the playlist. I'm going to show you how to get your YouTube channel started, develop a topic, how to create a content creation strategy that is successful and will eventually earn you views and subscribers, how to interact with other YouTubers and viewers to gain more views rapidly. I'm going to keep the best stuff for my course, so always check below for that. I keep a course with updated methods, all that good stuff that you can use to be successful. It's kind of like a shortcut if you want to learn how to do it. I'm going to show you how you can publish regularly and create a following from that. And you're going to learn how to build your channel from one topic to many eventually, as you gain views and subscribers and all that good stuff. This is part 2, and I'm going to run you through how to be successful with content creation and create videos that people want to watch on a regular basis. So what you're going to do is, from part 1, you're going to take that laser focused topic we talked about and you're going to develop a plan for 10 videos to start out. In those 10 videos, one of them needs to be an introduction. You need to introduce who you are. The reason for this is it builds rapport with your target audience. When you build rapport, you build trust. You build trust, you gain viewers, you gain subs. You need one video about who you are, what you plan to do, how your channel is different, all that. The good news is you can use this video as a channel introduction or a channel trailer or whatever you want to call it in 2019 for YouTube. This will help build your channel. The other 9 videos, they need to be about your topic. So, what is LED lighting? Say you're creating a channel about reviews for LED bulbs so you can monetize through Amazon. Again, I cover all these monetization methods in my private course that I only offer a subscription to. Very cheap. Anyway, link below. Again, enough. You're creating a channel about LED bulb reviews so you can monetize through Amazon. You need to create a series of videos that explains what LED bulbs are, what normal bulbs are, how they're different, what they do, the benefits, the disadvantages, the challenges, the different type of LED bulbs. Just brainstorm. If you need a piece of paper, grab it, start brainstorming, pause the video and go on. What you're going to do is you're going to build upon those videos. You're going to dive into the actual content of your channel. So if you're doing LED bulb reviews for your YouTube channel in 2019, what you do is you start creating LED bulb reviews. Now, there is a wide field on this, and all this is a quick introduction. I'm not going to cover how you should make your YouTube video descriptions, your titles, tags, any of that good stuff. That golden stuff, the golden goose egg, I keep it in my course, so description below. So what you're going to do is you're going to create 20 videos, 30 videos, and then you're going to go for 100. You need to publish on a regular basis. If you don't, number 1, you won't keep yourself accountable. Number 2, your audience won't know if you're ever going to make another video, which can be part of your strategy later on. Like I said, there's a lot of advanced stuff I'm not covering right now. The next thing I want to cover in this series with content creation is the fact that a lot of people think they need crazy equipment, a $300 camera, a $1,000 camera, a mic. They need all this shit to start their YouTube channel, and the beauty of YouTube is that you don't need all that bullshit to get started. All you need is a cell phone camera. Your first 100 videos can be cell phone videos. Smartphone videos. Excuse me, we're in 2019. Get with the times, Aaron. So what you do is you start your channel today. Don't start tomorrow, start today. Start making videos, brainstorm the videos, take 2 hours out of your day, make it work. It is the most worthwhile investment you can make to start that YouTube channel today in 2019. You don't need a lot of shit if you have a simple smartphone, which I'm trying to reach off my desk. This is an older S8. It's not a 2019 smartphone, and who cares? Take it, start making some videos. If you feel uncomfortable or you feel like you don't have any skills, make an Instagram account, fill it out, and I will link a video in the description relating how you can start on Instagram. Not because it is the vehicle I would choose to market your brand online, not specifically, because I like longer form content than an Instagram clip. But anyway, I will link how you can start on Instagram, and it will get you over the fears, the phobias, the anxieties of publishing online. It's a good first step. So, as always, check out part 3, check the whole playlist, and learn how to make your YouTube channel great.